Okay, so we're back. We've got another trade. Um, this one looks alright. It looks alright. Similar, not a similar setup, but so interestingly enough, when I went short last video, we weren't bearish yet. We weren't bearish yet, and I find that rather interesting. I do think we're probably now bullish. You kind of traded back into this region here, into maybe something on the 4 hour. I don't know. Yeah, no, not especially, but we filled this 4 hour gap here. So but I'm going long now, is what we're saying. And I was incorrect with my daily buys last time, but I managed to catch a short move within that daily range, which is good, obviously. But now I think our drawn liquidity is this high here, that big high. I think we're going to be drawing into like we barely flinched at the fact that we've taken the previous day high. We've taken this high, but we're retracing back into something now, and I don't know why we would get this close to this high but not take it properly. So that's what I'm basing it off. And yeah, in the 4 hour opened, filled this fair value gap. On the 1 hour, we've expanded up, taking this high, retraced back into this order block. Same with this one here, change state delivery. I suspect on the 15. Yeah, took up this low, traded back into this region. And then same again, prices come down into this candle here, which is kind of the candle that took the sell side here, retraced into a discount, and prices traded into that now. So it's in a bullish reaction, targeting that high and that high. Officially we're entering off of this. I think the 5 minute is what's done it for me. I looked at this move initially, missed that. Well, didn't miss the entry, but I wasn't happy with it. Wanted price to trade a bit deeper into this area, because at this point it wasn't really in a discount. Whereas we've traded up now, come into a discount, subs out this low, tapped into this bullish order block, but anticipating price rallying now. My stop loss is going just beneath the body of this candle here. I think we could maybe come a bit deeper into this order block, but also fill this fair value gap, but not necessarily. If you look at the 15, it gives us nice, plenty of leeway there if price is going to come back into this order block. The 1 minute we're not actually going off of right now. It's taking sell side here, but it's more of a 5 minute entry, this one. So, no limit order. We're just going to go and get in there. Let's see how we get on. I think if we can take this high here, or I might take a partial or something if we can get that high, but we'll see. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Not showing too much by way of rejection to this these fair value gaps here, which is nice. Good to see. Maybe trade back into this order block, which we've done there. Might push lower though. Yeah. Let's happen on the higher time frame. 15. Obviously, we filled this 15-minute gap, which is, I suppose, a little bit concerning. But if we are bullish, it shouldn't be too much of an issue. I wouldn't be surprised if we came down and took this low out before rallying, if that's what's going to happen. Again, it's showing quite nice rejection. Like, it doesn't seem to want to push much lower at this point in time. I don't want to speak too soon, but it doesn't seem that keen. We swept out that high in this order block though. I suppose that's a little bit of something. Swept that low. I wouldn't be surprised if we push lower again. Tap back into that 5 minute. Is that another chance for entry, or is it just us going lower now? Good expansion. Having shown rejection around that order block. Good inverse. Not shifted market structure though. It's taken a while. Need to be wary of any new channels. We've missed the 12 o'clock one, but I might worth checking if there's one at 1:30. Provided we're still in the trade by then. But it's shown nice rejection around this level here, twice now, equal lows around this order block, fair value gap, and we did sweep that low as well at the same time, which is good. Speed up a little bit because it is taking quite some time. Inverse that. Can we hold it, or are we going to push lower now? It looks like we're going to go lower. Doesn't want to seem to push much higher. Oh, I missed the 1:30 candle. Oh, well, be alright. This makes for a 1 to 1.8, by the way, just with the stop loss placement and this high here. That's good. I think I'm going to move to break even now. Maybe trade back into this order block at the very worst, but I'm happy to take a break even trade. Or full take profit. That's good as well. That's good as well. So interestingly enough, I think it was a really good entry. I think a lot of people, including myself, get stressed at the idea of drawdown. It's like, shit, my trade should. Like last trade, didn't get any drawdown. It looks brilliant, but it's not realistic. In this case, obviously, we expanded, came back down into this region here, this order block, swept out these lows for kind of having train state delivery, traded into this region once, shown rejection, rallied up to, I don't know even what, equal highs, I suppose, of sorts, but we failed to make a new high, came back down, took out the sell stops down here, and traded back into this order block, which again is sat around that 61.8%, and then since then we just rallied up. I was a little bit unsure around here because you can see with these wicks here, it's like trying to push higher, not getting any success, trying to push higher, no success, trying to push higher, no success. But eventually we did manage to inverse these fair value gaps, which is good. I mean, I didn't even watch it on the 1 minute, and it's quite a long trade. I mean, how long were we in it then? 10:26 until, it's not a long trade, it's 4 hours, it's not mental, but given the fact it was only a 7-pip stop loss, it stayed within that range entirely. So how would it have played out actually? Did it go on to take those higher highs? It does. So we were right about that. But again, that's not necessarily me going, oh, I wish we took more. It's more just me going, it's good. Our analysis is correct. Again, so yeah, that's good. It's really good, obviously. I'm pretty happy with that. I think, yeah, I've not got too much else to say, really. I don't want to get too ahead of myself and start going, oh, I think I've cracked it, because I've been in this position so many times. But I'm analysing things probably a little bit closer now. I'm not rushing through days. Like I'm finding potential setups every day, which isn't the case normally. In the sense that I'm just rushing through and things like that. But look, as I said, I'm not going to head myself. I've had a few wins in a row, which is good, obviously, but there's no way that I'm going to get caught up in this trap of being like, shit, I've cracked it, this is easy, da-da-da. So I need to be treated with a lot of respect, and I think, I don't know, but obviously it's a good trade, and it's good to get a win, and understand why I'm winning as well, not just some guesswork. I mean, winning through guesswork initially feels like, oh, brilliant, I've won, da-da-da. But if you don't understand why, then you're better off losing and understanding why, I think. So, anyway, quite a long video, I didn't mean that, my bad. Yeah, good trade, and if you got any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.